Hello guys, welcome to Tuhin editing, and today we're going to show you how you can duplicate and rotate things at the same time around a circle in a circular way. So you can see I can designing a logo here, and right now I will put some light ray style shapes around the heart. So let's start it. I'll lock down the layers and work on this one. First, grab the rectangle tool and make a rectangle. I think it's pretty fine, maybe a little shorter. And now I'm going to make it a gradient like look, make it 90 degree. Make this color similar to this one, so, and this color same, but I will make the opacity to 0, so it look like some kind of light rays. Yes, and one more thing, I will combine these 2 points to make it look like a sharper edge, and I'm going to make it rounded. So yeah, basically this is the light ray. I think it could be smaller or yeah, I think it's pretty much fine. So this is now the main part, how to rotate it, and it has to go away like a round shape. So I'll select the rotate tool and I'll place the rotate point around here. So right now if I move it, you can see it's rotating around this. Okay, I think I will need to make it a little further, as you can see. Yes, this time it's not overlapping with the heart. I think this is the right point. Yes, it's fine. Now you can see it's rotating around the heart. It's like there's a invisible circle out there. So when you rotate, press the Alt key and you can see it's duplicated one layer. To repeat this action, all you need to do is Ctrl D. Just keep pressing Ctrl D and it will make the shapes around the invisible circle there is. So you can see it's quite okay. I'm not going to repeat any more Ctrl D because it will overlap with my text. So what I'm going to do is select this side rays, copy, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and then object, reflect, vertically reflect, and place them over here. I think it will go until down. I think, yeah, perfect. Some of the toes didn't came out. Okay, let me select again. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, reflect, vertically reflection, and I think it's perfect this time. Yes, it is. I'll remove this one. So yes, basically this is how you can duplicate and rotate any object around a circle. So thanks for watching the video. I hope it's helpful. See you in the next tutorial.